electrical charge, which would be the brushes on the commutator, right? Okay. Therefore, it'll connect, and it won't charge anymore.
You don't have to worry about that. They JB welded your engine together.
Just JB weld the whole thing together. Won't have any leaks.
That's what it looks like they did. They finally, whoever owned it before got fed up with the front oil leak, and the most likely all it was that one little oil, the little O-ring was missing. Yep. So they, instead of putting that in, they just JB welded the motor together, and it still leaks.
Yeah. I've seen a lot of people JB weld.
Oh man.
Yeah. And a little bit around here.
Yeah, I know. 6'9", yeah.
Go real light.
Just a different way of doing it.
We're running out of tape here, Brian.
He's on hold right now. I'll wait until he gets the last inch done, and I'll turn it back on.
Around the inside.
Until he doesn't have it.
How that thing is.
Brian, you're even feeling the batteries.
Says it's still going.
You know what, I've been thrashed on by way better people than you.
And stop coming over.
You haven't noticed I have? Oh yeah.
Down in the garage, they're worn out of spec. They're pretty cool. Display things. With the Renaissance, yeah.
He's afraid to get it on his big silver coat.
Yeah? John said I did it right.
Don't forget your O-ring now.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yeah.
So long as we don't have any left over.
Yeah.
So this goes here?
Yeah.
And when you get the whole motor together and you have this one tiny part left, you gotta wonder, where did that go?
Now this one? And this part goes up here?
There's your weak part. It goes towards the cold side of the motor, which is going to be your engine.
So, right up in here then?
Either right here or right here is good because it gives you more beat.
I wouldn't mind the one that...
We should get with that.
Like in that
All-wheel drive.
They'll be alright.
Okay.
So? Okay.
Now,
This is the one I have to stretch?
We could do this.
the stretch frame is after then it helps get it warm up and pliable, and it will retract back into normal. Don't worry too much.
Okay, now this one, there's no...
Then we have to put a car in the screws that it runs.
Yeah. They make one that'll let you use Honda trains too. I do 85 really steep. It's like the folder, the station wagon, the folder.
Yeah, it's supposed to be shiny side on the inside and outside.
This is my go-to go get it.
Get stupid launches, put it in all-wheel drive.
Somebody disabled that. 400 or 500 doors on the side. It's supposed to be dual side up.
Yeah.
Dull side up?
Yeah, we got
Well, this is the shiny side up.
rotated.
You told me that. John.
I don't know, have you ever put it in backwards and tried it?
Well, don't do it now. I'm going to steal this motor and I want...
By the book.
Only takes a second, hurry.
This is not the time to experiment. What's that?
Was your motor Chinese plates on it?
Yeah.
Actually, there is a reason we do that.
They
Mm-hmm.
are too.
Something that
I was the first one coming in, so everybody else was coming out. I was going to punch it that one time.
Gravel.
Ding, 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 ding.
Now it's your life. Look at it. It says nothing else. That's fine.
Spit on him, Brian.
It starts in September. And with the car. Pushing down into it. Let the housing push them down.
They blow up, you still got one.
Huh?
Probably after an hour.
You gotta make sure there's not a spring stuck between those.
The spring stuck between where?
The apex.
You look at spring cross, they look a little weird just here.
First person to ever tell me I'm okay.
There's new corner pieces with 74 springs.
Is that just regular motor oil there, John?
Yeah, Vaseline, you won't be able to turn the motor. Get done if you put too much of that. Just a little bit of oil to keep it sealed.
Actually, I use quite a bit.
What do you use?
When I do the Vaseline, I actually use quite a bit. Well, not quite a bit, but I mean, just give it a glossy look. Works great.
All right. So
They made some first.
Too heavy for you?
A little bit.
Can you handle it? Don't get it.
My hands
Don't
are
get your shirt dirty.
all right, now you want your hands away from where they're going to get pinched when you put that on. You may want to put your fingers to the intake.
Does that have that oil ring on it already? On the plate side?
Yeah, it's on the plate side.
Cool.
Go down really easy.
One of the ones like they actually brought the rotors in the eShop.
Ow, my finger. Just kidding.
Now we're gonna look at those corner pieces so you can see all of them now. Right? Keep your fingers out. Now I think I'm going to put a bolt in and try to. It'll probably snap right in there.
Impact might make you might hear a tink.
Yeah, we want to be real careful at this point.
Should have stuck together.
Nothing in the way of it.
This looks like a shock.
Ron took the plan. Yay, Ron.
That's not a 10 mil.
Okay.
How many volts to plug that thing in? Right in front of the camera.